Yo, haha, Miltnificent.
Don't look now, but it looks like Nike's Airworks program is about to take off. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because this program that started in May of 2026 is starting to get its traction when it comes to the sneaker game. It actually just might change the sneaker game the way we commonly think of most sneakers. But let's talk about it. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. I like what Nike is doing when it comes to the whole Zellerfeld foam experience, at least the printed shoe. Only because I finally got confirmation that the Glacier Blue, at least the Air Max 1000.2 series, it's going to be shipping. Hopefully. This is the first time for me to see Nike's futuristic innovation, at least their partnership with Zellerfeld. And it looks like, I want to say their Airworks program works in conjunction with Zellerfeld. So they've developed the first 3D printed shoe, at least from 8 different up-and-coming designers that are part of that whole Nike Airworks program. So you look at this first shoe, this is kind of like the first shoe that they might be releasing. I don't know if it's this year or next year, but it kind of looks like an Air Max 95,000 design that Zellerfeld did last year, at least the base portion. You look at the air bubble unit. The upper looks like it's redesigned. So what they're doing, it looks like they're coming out with different upper designs for a futuristic Air Max experience. If you notice that most of the Air Maxes that have come out, at least with Zellerfeld, they do look futuristic. The 3D printed concept, I think, is phenomenal just because it sounds like, from what I heard, that as long as you size correctly, and I'll know more as soon as I get this shoe in terms of the Glacier Blue, but the comfort level is insane. And that's kind of where I want to see what Nike's idea and what their futuristic concept, because I'm looking at this definitely looks just like an Air Max 95, the bubble unit. It's just the difference is this is the 3D printed version. Now, comment below and let me know, because I think on Zellerfeld website, it's officially sold out in terms of the Glacier Blue. Did it take you up to 72 hours to get confirmation that you got your pair? I read the comments in my previous video where somebody actually won 2 pairs of the Zellerfeld shoe experience in terms of the Glacier Blue. I think that's dope. But I like what they're doing with the whole Airworks program. I feel like you're going to see more different futuristic Air Max designs. It could be the 97 that we haven't seen just yet. The 95, they already done. Air Max 1. I feel like you're going to see a different series of Air Max shoes that we've seen in Nike's history from a futuristic standpoint, at least from a 3D printed standpoint. I can't wait to see this when it comes in, and I look forward to seeing if I can cop more. I feel like Nike's kind of listening to the consumer when, hey, it's one thing for the shoe to look good, but then does it feel good? I think comfort does play a part in people's decisions to get sneakers today. You notice that most of the sneakers that were dropping years past, they look good, but they don't feel good. So, you're paying for the experience. Listen, Nike, I'm all for this. I want to see more of this, and this will be my first cop, and I'm kind of liking this Glacier Blue because it's going to go good with my Sixers gear. Of course, Sixers, LeBron. We ain't going to get into that, but I do like this colorway. I'm very excited to get this. Can't wait to put this on the Miltnificent channel. It was a shoe that I was trying to get all year long, and it just kept evading me. Finally. I think I got everything that I wanted this year. Sorry, there's one more shoe that I'm going to get this year. I'm just not going to say it just yet, but we'll see. But your boy Miltnificent, man, again, comment below. Let me know, what do you think about the whole new concept of the whole Nike Airworks program and this shoe that they're kind of displaying? I think that this looks phenomenal. It definitely feels good. And you know what? You can't go wrong. And also comment below, did you hit on the whole Nike Air Max 1000.2 Glacier Blue series? Things are looking up, at least hopefully. Your boy Miltnificent, man, I am out. And you guys, stay blessed.